Today we will be doing an essay about books. As you can see, my whole environment is of books and a dictionary which has all of the words of these books, and we also have some old books like Sherlock Holmes, The Power of Geography, and Diary of a Wimpy, and we have some new books like my school books, I Wish, The Goalie Secret, The Personality Potion, and this word search book that I got at the Pakistan's bookstore today. And this dictionary is very cool because it has all of the words in this. If you don't let's start over. If you don't know what a dictionary is, I'll just tell you that dictionary has basically every word in the whole English alphabet. As you can see, there's A to B to C, A to Z, like Amazon, where it has A to Z on an arrow. And the dictionary has every word on this book, every book, except for some words that they don't do, like fireworks or like very weird ones, like Pneumo Ultra Minus Phobus Volcanosaurus, that are very weird. And Pneumo Ultra Minus Phobus Volcanosaurus is basically a volcanic disease from ash, the volcanoes ash that are from the depths of Earth. Anyways, now we will be doing the topic of the video, books or TV. So I wrote an essay all about this. I put it into multiple papers, as you can see. So we will be reading of this.
Go.
Okay, so now we will be reading what I have written off here. Well, I'm not going to be doing solely of this, as you can see. So I'm gonna be reading off, and then I'm gonna do of you, and then I'm gonna be doing of my own lines. So, are you creating books but also TV? Well, in this video, I'll tell you which one to choose. Reading gives you enormous creativity. Reading is where you get most of the creativity you might have. And reading gives you knowledge like maths books, language books, and theater books, and way more stuff to entertain your brain. Reading gives you so much freedom, unlike TV, which has the same thing on repeat and repeat and repeat. Superheroes on pages. Books are filled with inspiring characters, amazing ones and comedic ones too. Like on Diary of a Wimpy Kid, the main character of this is regularly healthy, and he's very comedic and very happy all the time, but sometimes he's not. And the characters in books make you feel like you're a part of their adventure, and you're in their world and adventure with them. Like this book in my school, which makes you almost like you're in their adventure, the personality portion. Anyways, some characters in books make people so inspired that they start their own company, get a job, or make their own book. Like my favorite YouTubers inspired me to make my own YouTube channel, and maybe I can become your next favorite YouTuber. And now we will be going on to the next point on why books are better than TV. Brain harvest. Reading exercises the brain, helping you learn different languages, and books are the reason I learned English. Like this book here, Power of Geography, tells you everything about the medieval times and all of the geographic things about it. And Sherlock Holmes teaches you about his life, and a lot more books do that. And some books help you understand things you couldn't like before mathematics, science and etc. Like Mark Rober, he made a whole book dedicated to help you with helping you understand math and science. If you don't know who Mark Rober is, you can simply just search him up. And reading and helps you how to make a business and how to make money. And my friend has one that helps him how to make a business. Time travel, anyone? Books transport you to any time of the world. And just like the Sherlock Holmes, I know I've been saying Sherlock Holmes a lot in this video, but it's simply because it's a lot in this book. And basically, in this Power of Geography, it almost makes you it almost makes you feel like you're in the medieval times, reading their past and books, like The Power of Geography. Like you can maybe be in the France old times or the Napoleon times. And you can maybe be in the time when the Romans were, let me switch papers first. When the Romans were around, or when Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was in Mecca, or any time. Reading allows you to do any of this stuff by just sitting. It's crazy to think about. A story time together. And you do story time together. One of the best things about books is that you can share them with your friends, family, and relatives, and etc. Imagine holding up with your aunt, reading a thrilling story with your family. It's a fantastic way to spend time with people. So now we're gonna wrap it all up. So why are books better than TV? Because they let your imagination soar and the pride. Introduce you to incredible characters, give your brain a good workout, take you on exciting adventures, and bring people together. Let me take the next next paper. And so next time you're wondering what to do, pick up a book and embark on a thrilling stories instead of watching YouTube on your TVs. And you must be wondering, I've been waiting with Topi this whole video, unlike my other ones. Well, it's because I just wanted to do it today, and that's simply what I want to do. So anyway, tell me if you like this video, and if you want to know where I got this book. Personally, I got this Sherlock Holmes book from my brother's school, and I got all of these books from my school called Iris. And the Wimpy books, you can simply get them online or at a book fair. And these two books in the front, which are word searches, you can also get them at a book fair. And so that's the end of the video. I hope you all liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.